Hi there, thanks for stopping. My name's Kathy and I'm a Seint artist. And the other day I put together what I call is my summer glow kit. This is created using 4 different creams from our Seint line. But guess what? You don't have to be a Seint user to try these products and put them on over your existing makeup that you're currently using. I simply used a big fluffy brush that I have in my stock. I've swirled it together into the bronzer and into rose gold. Apply it all over my face to give me a sun-kissed glow. And then I start with another brush that will give me a little bit of pop of brightness around my eyes at the outer corner and at the inner corner, putting very little underneath my eyes. Basically, I'm just brightening those eyes up after a long day. I'm finishing with a little bit of my finger. I take that same brush and I use the tip of it just to put a little bit of brightness down the center of my nose so that we can pull all of the focus towards the nose. The last color I'm using is called La Cienega. It is a lip gloss and it is a beautiful wash of color, very moisturizing to put all over your lips. Just think, wanted to try Seint? What a great way to do it, and you don't have to spend a bundle.